Hey guys, this is Nick. Another update on the Land Rover. I hear a coyote's howling off in the distance. It is dark out. Again, eastern Washington, we're getting ready for a snowstorm. And the update on the Land Rover, I'll probably hear the coyotes in the distance if I'm quiet. Hold on. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but I sure can. Anyway, squirrel. Update on the Land Rover is the headlight bulbs. High beams and low beams. So low beams were purchased from Headlight Revolutions. They are the GTR bulbs, lifetime guaranteed, and the high beams are the Morimotos. Right now I've got the running lights on. So let me go ahead and flip these on here, guys, and you can see the difference between what you might be having with your stock lights and what you've got with these. So check that out. That is the low beams, which is the GTRs. The reason the GTRs are, I think, like $30 more for this application than what the high beams were of the Morimotos. The reason I put the GTRs in the low beams was because they are a lifetime guaranteed headlight bulb, LED bulb, and we're going to be using the low beams a lot more than we would be the high beams, right? So I wanted the lifetime guaranteed product in there. So that is low beams. This is, oh no, excuse me, that was with high beams also. Screwed that all up. So that's high beams, low beams. Let's get out and take a look really quick of how these look. They're gonna be bright. Yeah, they're crazy bright. You know, what's weird is that they look all washed out, like they're yellow in this, but I assure you that they're not. They're completely white, as white can be. Something that's very important, if you get LED headlight bulbs and whatever you're driving, make sure you follow the procedures of pointing your headlights. Because everybody, you, me, we've all been driving down the road and came up on that guy that his lights look like they're so bright that he can see the gnats on a raccoon's ass from 400 yards away. That blinds people. You know, that's dangerous. It pisses me off. So make sure if you do get something like this, adjust them, get them pointed right. Headlight Revolutions has some how-to videos on how to do that. It's not too hard to do. But anyway, guys, those are the lights. Again, it's snowing. Our snowstorm's finally here. I'll show you the difference again. So no headlights, marker lights. That made a big difference, huh? High beams, low beams. That's the fog lights. We like those, but anyway, y'all, like and subscribe.